Greetings, folks. William Caleb Rogers back at you with another video, and today we're going to discuss affiliate marketing. I received another question on Quora and I just wanted to answer it, and the question was, can somebody help me step by step how to promote products by affiliates? What he's really asking is how to promote affiliate products, how to promote affiliate offers, and I just wanted to briefly answer the question. Well, see, firstly, you have to understand that affiliate marketing is when you get paid a commission for promoting another company's product or service that you yourself don't own or didn't create. So you don't promote products by affiliates, you promote products as an affiliate. Get it? See, that's the difference there in the language, and I wanted to clear that up just to get a better clarity out of this person's question. Now, to promote an affiliate offer successfully, you need to build an audience of people who are already interested in that particular type of affiliate offer. For example, if the offer has to do with the best barber razor or electric razor to use to cut hair, you want to make sure it's people who's actually interested in barbering and being a barber, or who's trying to better their skills as a barber, who wants better equipment. See, you want to already have an audience that's interested in the thing you're promoting. So you would want to research popular niche places where people gather online and gather some intel. In other words, you're going to find out what their interests and the problems are, and then find an affiliate offer to match that. That's sort of a pro tip there. Instead of finding an audience that already fits an affiliate offer, you could do the reverse and just look online into the various different groups and niche websites and niche forums, and just look at some of the people's interests and in particular their problems. And then once you start to seeing that, you can find an affiliate offer that matches those interests, if you get what I'm saying. See, building up the audience for an affiliate offer. Now, this could be done in an automated way online using a specialized software called an autoresponder. And the autoresponder enables you to store your audience's contact information, their email information, their name, if you chose to collect even their phone number and address. It just depends on what you were trying to collect for what reasons. Now, and it does this by a specialized web page that you make, or that software itself will make for you, called a squeeze page. This is sometimes also called a lead capture page, and it's usually those single web pages that just have a simple form that says enter your name and email here to continue, or to get this gift, or to download this report, or to get this free training of some sort, or to get this coupon discount. You have to register here first. We've all seen those pages, and it's so normal on the internet nowadays. We simply just put in the information if we feel that what's behind the wall, so to speak, has something that we're interested in. Okay, now, the main thing that needed for this to work, though, you got the autoresponder, you even got the affiliate offer, you know where the people hang out. But the main thing needed for this to work is those people who are interested in those offers. So you want those people to visit that squeeze page. And the people that come to the squeeze page is known as your traffic. That's called traffic. That's the web traffic. Okay, now this is also known as the lifeblood of the internet, because without traffic, doesn't matter what you're selling or how good your website looks, you need people to come to it. So now I do have a resource for everyone who needs different avenues and ways of getting website traffic to particular offers, whether it be an affiliate offer or your own offer. If you just go to easymoneysite.biz/advanced training, you'll see that I have that for you right here. Let's go ahead and just take a look at the page right here on the side here. And at easymoneysite.biz/advanced training, it's this page You'll see all these videos. That's all. By the way, there is a menu here at the top you can simply use. You see eight traffic lessons, traffic you can order now, 18 traffic sources, Facebook ads mastery training, digital products creation training. I even go into how to create your own digital product if you just want to have your own product, which is absolutely a great way to go. Social media influencer traffic. Even got an opportunity that shows a much easier way to make money fast if you're looking for some faster profits. All this here on this page. Of course, any of these videos, you can simply click the particular image that you want to watch, and then you hit play. You click on the image first and then hit the play button. You see, I just got training on all different sites you can go to get traffic. And if we just keep scrolling, you'll see more training, the Facebook quick traffic method training. There's more paid traffic training. I mean, it just goes on and on and on. Once again, that's that easymoneysite.biz/advanced training. Definitely a page each and every one of you can use if you're trying to get traffic. And I mean, if you're online and you got an offer, whether it be an affiliate offer or your own product offer, you're gonna need traffic, period. You know, and a lot of us who've come into the affiliate marketing arena, we started out, a lot of us did, we came in and we promoted internet marketing related products and services and business opportunities because it was the thing that excited us the most. But would I really recommend that for you? Well, if that's your interest, sure, it's a big niche, yes, but I would actually recommend that you just get something you might already know about. You might already have some knowledge in some area, and you might already know that type of audience and that crowd. You already know what they cater to, their language, what they like. And so all you do is just find a good affiliate product that matches where your knowledge and skills may already be at, and just promote that. But you can, any doubt, you can still come to this page, easymoneysite.biz/advanced training. And even at the bottom of this page, I also have an opportunity, if you will, where my team will actually install a full affiliate marketing sales funnel. We'll do everything for you. We'll install the squeeze pages, all the different emails that do the email follow-up for you. We'll go ahead and insert that in your autoresponder. We'll set up all the necessary pages, even the sales pages that are going to sell the different digital products that you'll be selling. And you'll get 100% commission on all of this. We'll simply set up all the PayPal buttons. My team's going to do it all. You just go on over to easymoneysite.biz/advanced training. At the very bottom, you'll see this button down that you see here. It says the button you see right behind my image here. Just go there and we'll set up everything for you. I wanted to make this thing easy for you and just give you some insight on various ways to promote affiliate marketing offers and products. I'm William Caleb Rogers. You can find out more about me also at the same site, easymoneysite.biz. You'll see an about button up here. See that about button, just click that button there, and you can find out everything you need to know about me and how I got started all in this business and why I'm doing this thing. You know, you find out a little bit about where I'm from, find out all the different resources that this has to offer. There's a lot here on this site that's going to help you out for all your making money online efforts. All right, I think that'll do it for this video. It's been long enough. Hope to see you here on the easymoneysite.biz blog. Peace and light. Everything's going to be all right.